This is for an accounting client. This account client specialized in accounting in Africa, but he works with American, Chinese, North African, clients, Europe, and China. So before I start anything, what would I do? As you see right here. So this website, the meta title, the meta title is the title of the website that will show in the search results in Google. Right here it says homepage. So this is the first thing you should work on, the meta title and the meta description of the website. But then we will see, the HN tags, the H1, the H2, the H3, what of those, the title, the subtitles, etc. Text on the header, optimize the menu, the images, and everything else. So first step, I go to Google Ads, my keyword planner. So you just connect with your Gmail address, and you go to tools. This is a new version of Google Ads and keyword planner, and you just click on get search, volume, and forecasts. Enter a keyword. I go back to the website and see what's the keywords here he put on. As you see, the website is not optimized at all. Editing, organization, accounting. So let's say accounting, comma, accounting and consulting, and consulting. And let's try accounting in Africa, for investors, for example. Let's get started. All right. Here I'm gonna change first, the countries. So I'm gonna put right here, United States country. China. Country China. Let's start by those. All languages. All right. Now what I would do is, because this is little keywords for me. You see the average monthly searches. The competition is low. So when the competition is low, that means that you can work on a keyword easily. That keyword can get up to the first page easily. It's not like you have a hard competition on the keywords. And when it says low keywords, a low competition too, it means that the bid, if you create a Google Ads campaign, you will pay a lot less for your CPC, the cost per click, than a keyword with a high competition. So here, let's go back to keyword ideas, and let's just copy and paste the website so he can get more info from the website. Accounting, account, audit, account, company, and get results. Let's change this country, Let's just put United States. Language, change to English. And the period of the research, this is the last, let's just say I need, the last November, December, the last year. Well, okay, that's good. So what I would do is directly go to average monthly searches and I click on it so I can get the best results first. So now you just you check your keyword, the keyword that you need for your plan. So let's see right here, accounting firm. We check that one because we need that one. Accounting audit. Those are the keywords that you provided. And then there is the keywords ideas from Google Ads, the keyword plan. Accounting consultant, accountant firms near me. You don't need that because you're not actually in the United States. Bear in mind, this client, he wants client from the United States to search accounting in Africa. So the audience is from United States, but the business is in Africa. So you don't need accounting firms near me. That's when, for example, you have an accounting business in San Francisco, so that you can check that keyword and then you do the search by the local SEO. I will explain in another video what's a local SEO. But for now, we are working on an international scale. So accounting firms near me, no. Accounting services near me, neither. Business accounting, top accounting firms. You can say you can use this one, but you can add the word in Africa. Like for example, top accounting firms in Africa. So you check the keyword too, top accounting firms, tax and accounting services, accounting businesses, audit firm, because you need that. You only need 10 keywords at the beginning. If you work on 10 keywords and you get them on the top 10 of the first page, you did your job. Business tax, accounting, yes. Accounting and auditors, accounting services. And you can see right here the average monthly searches. You have from 100 to 1K a month, and the competition is still low, so that's good for us. These right here, this is for Google Ads. When you create a campaign for Google Ads, you gotta check the price, the CPC of the keyword, the cost per click. So you know you can, so you know how much you can put, on the bid. And if there is, and if it's a high competition, you gotta pay a lot for that keywords. Like for example, right here, $15 on the CPC, top of page bid high range. So this is like between $3, top audit firms between $3 and $15. So I will make another video for how to create a Google Ads campaign and how to optimize it to get a maximum result from it. So now we keep it on the SEO part and how to get your keywords and the volume search. The accounting partnership, you can see here. You have 9 keywords, you check those and you do add keywords to your plan. And plan saves, and then you go to saved keywords, and there you got your plan of keywords. So you can start by those to start your SEO work on the homepage. I already, just to tell you the English version, we will do it together and you will see the progress of the English version together, video by video. But I already did the work on the French version of the site, and I'm going to show you right here the semrush.com, the SEMrush website, and already the French version is getting 11%, visibility on Google. We have, like, for example, accounted in Africa, we're on a 7th position, first page. Like, for example, right here we have audit advice professional, and we are on a 3rd position. This is like less than a month work. If you do it good, you will get all your keywords on the top 10. This is all the top 10 on the first page, and this is incredible how it's got, especially this keyword. This keyword is very high on competition. And for example, let me just copy the keyword and show you on an anonymous private window. Let me just paste the keywords. There we go. We're right here. This is the French version of the site. On the first page, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9th place in the first page in like 3 weeks of work. So this is pretty good. The client is satisfied. So right here is 7. It didn't already make the update, I think, but it will. We have this keyword too, I think in the 3rd position. We copy this keyword. Again, new private window so you can get a fresh new search on Google. Audit professional. Up. There we go. And this is on the third position in the first page. And these are the keywords, a high competition keywords. With the good work, and especially the optimization of the page, because why we did all this, so we can make the website matches all those keywords with titles, descriptions, the creation of new pages. Like, for example, accountant and consulting, I have to come in here, for example, for services, and we have this page already online, already is, so we have to optimize this page for example, accounting and consulting, so we can position ourselves on that keywords, and I will show you how in another video. So this page is not optimized. There is the meta title. It's the same that the H1 tag. This is not good. It has to be unique. The H1 has to be unique. The meta title has to be unique. The description is very low. Like, for example, what's the keyword in here? Audit, accountant, expertise. Let's find how many keywords, how many of that keywords are in this page. We have 1 and only 1, and that's not good. It's gotta be in the description. We have to have more text than this, because Google loves text, a lot of descriptions, plus those little titles. We can make them clickable after this. Accounting and financial audit, you click on it and then you go to another page, and that's how you optimize all pages. There's a lot of work, but it's simple. It's easy to do it if you do it manually. We check the performance of the French version of the website. It's getting 1,077 kilo total impression in I think in the last 3 months, so that's pretty good. The impression is getting high. The average position, it's good. Let's see right here the position from the first keywords, 50 keywords for the results. Audit, expert, concert, presentation, cabinet comptable. This is all French keywords, but it's getting good. And the analytics too. We have right here the organic search now is the same level as the direct channel. Direct, that means when you put the URL of the website directly on your browser, and the organic search is the organic search. Referral, when you click the website from another website, and organic social, like its name, and it's from the social media platform.